Hi, this is Jackie Kiadii, Excel Automation Consultant and Microsoft Certified Trainer specializing in Excel and Power BI. Did you know that there is a data entry form that comes built in with Excel that allows you to enter, delete, search for information using the form rather than going to your spreadsheet? This is something that is not on the ribbon, so it's a little bit hidden, but once you know where to find it, it becomes super easy. So to find the form command, you need to go to the additional commands available on your quick access toolbar. And the way you do that is on your quick access toolbar, you click the arrow to the far right and go to more commands. But before we go there, let me show you something else. If you have never customized your quick access toolbar, first of all, why haven't you? But if you haven't, then the quick access toolbar is not going to be visible here. Instead, it's going to be showing up above your ribbon, right before the name of your workbook. Okay, so whether it's up here or below your ribbon, all you need to do is click that drop down, go to more commands, and this takes you to the backstage view where you can customize your quick access toolbar. Once you're in this section, the first thing you want to do is you want to change this option from popular commands to all commands. So you go to this first box, drop down list, click the drop down, click all commands. Now what happens then is this dependent box, this second box, then changes to show you every single command available to you in Excel, whether it's on your ribbon or not. And the command we happen to be looking for is the form command. Instead of scrolling all the way to the letter F, all I do is select any item on this list and hit the letter F, and that at least takes me to the commands that start with the letter F, and then I do a little bit of scrolling and I find my form command. To add it to the quick access toolbar, which this pane on the right hand side shows you all the commands that are on the quick access or on my quick access toolbar, you can either double click it or you can single click and hit the add button. So I'm going to go ahead and double click. And there it is on the quick access toolbar. Click OK. And now it shows up. I'm going to go ahead and move my quick access toolbar back to where I had it below the ribbon because I just do not like seeing it up there. Okay, so now we're in the worksheet. Click the form and it brings it up. With this form, you can enter a new record by simply clicking the new button and typing in what you want. You can delete a record by making sure you've selected the record and hitting the delete key. And then you can also filter or restrict which records you see in this form by using the criteria button. So let's go ahead and click criteria. And then here, I'm going to restrict it so I only see this product. Okay, once I've put in my criteria, I'm going to hit the Find Previous or Find Next button to scroll through the records that meet this criteria. So I'm going to say Find Previous, Find Next, and let's keep scrolling through Find Next to see. So you see here, I'm at the very top of my selection. Notice it's record 46 of 700. When I click Find Next, it's 47. In a little while, it's going to skip numbers. So see, I went from number 53. Find Next goes all the way to 97. There are a couple of restrictions when you're working with these built-in forms. Restriction number one is if your worksheet has more than 32 columns, when you click to bring this form up, you will get an error message because the maximum number of columns it can handle is 32. The other restriction is that there is absolutely nothing you can do to modify this form. So you basically have to accept it as is. If you want a form with additional functionality that is available to you, you can use Excel automation to actually create a custom form to work with this workbook. Something else you can do is you can actually set up your workbook so that when you open the workbook, instead of it opening to the worksheet, it hides the worksheet and just opens to this data entry form. In order to do that, you have to do a little bit of automation with Visual Basic for Applications. If that's something you'd like me to cover in an upcoming video, please put a comment down below and let me know, and I'll be happy to create a video to show you exactly how to do that. But this is the handy Excel data entry form that comes with the product and you can use with any of your worksheets. I hope you found it useful, and thank you so much for watching.